let me show you how you can turn your Claude skills into skills in FlowHunt. Let's get right into it. Hi, my name is Rashid Kahani, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn your Claude skills into skills in FlowHunt. Now in FlowHunt, we don't actually have the term skills, but instead we're going to use memories, which is going to do the same thing. So within Claude, if you come to your settings and then to your capabilities, all the way at the bottom, you can see a section called skills. Here you can have custom skills, which are prompts that you can add to your chatbot that can customize a specific workflow or a specific repeatable thing, right? So here, for example, I have a LinkedIn summary skill. If I click on it, it says, generate a summary from a YouTube transcript in a specific format suitable for a LinkedIn post. You receive a YouTube transcript as input, and you must turn it into a LinkedIn post in this format. So the format is video announcement. I just published a new video, and then it gives you the topic of the video, and then it breaks down the main points of the video. Now, I need these, for example. I'm gonna just upload my YouTube URL, whatever video I want, and I want it every single time to be in this specific format. That's why I add this skill, and Claude every single time accesses its memories, its skills, and it actually generates it in this specific format because it knows that's what I want. So how can we have that in FlowHunt? Now we can copy this exact same prompt here, and if you come to your FlowHunt dashboard and go over to memories, you can create a new category. Let's say LinkedIn dash skill, and then we can create a new memory category basically. After we were done with the category creation, we can go within the category and we can add a parent node. Here in the parent node, we can actually add our prompt and we can title it again LinkedIn skill, for example, right? And then we create this memory. Now, let me show you what that looks like within our workflow. So here we have a very, very simple AI system, one singular AI agent, chatbot input and chat output. Now this AI agent has a URL retriever as its tool so that it can actually extract the content of our YouTube video. And also in the system message, I just said, always look at your memory before answering. And so when I click on run and I give it a YouTube URL, I said, here's a YouTube URL, extract its content and create a LinkedIn post based on your skills, right? And when I said that, of course, first of all, it used the URL retriever to extract all my transcript from the YouTube video, and then that transcript is sent to the AI agent, which then uses tree or the memory. So it found the parent memory node, the content, and then you can see that it extracted the skill. It's like, oh, okay, I know how to make LinkedIn posts in this specific format, and the user always wants it in this format because they told me that I should use my memory to create this LinkedIn post. And so once it retrieved this formatting, it actually generated the LinkedIn post for me. So it's like, perfect, now I'll create the LinkedIn post based on the video content following the exact format from my memory. And then we have video announcement. I just published a new YouTube video, automating Wix blog content creation with AI-powered FlowHunt. And that's our previous video, which we uploaded, and that's the URL that I gave it. In this video, I break down how to use query expansion to generate multiple search angles from a single keyword, extracting data from top-ranking Google URLs, setting up an automated article generation with proper formatting, SEO metadata, etc., and then creating thousands of SEO optimized posts in under 15 minutes directly in your Wix dashboard. So that's exactly step by step what I went through in the video. And yeah, so basically these skills allow you to have, it allows you to literally give the AI agent custom skills. You can prompt it in a specific way that it knows specific things and knows how to do specific things. So think of it quite literally as a skill. Like human being, when we obtain skills, you can actually give those skills to your AI agent as well. And in FlowHunt, you can use the memory component to do the same thing. Now you might be thinking, okay, how can I set up this memory? If you come and click on your AI agent and scroll all the way down, you can find an agent memory tab over here. So if we click on it, we need to enable this memory. By default, it's turned off. So once we turn it on, we can go to either read only or read and write. Read and write will allow the AI agent to create new memories as well. And here in memory category, I clicked on skill. Now, of course, we made a new one as well. So LinkedIn skill, so I can choose between my different memories. And then these are just default prompts that I did not change. So all you need to do is enable memory, choose the correct memory category, and prompt your AI agent to always check the memories before answering anything. And in that way, it's really context aware and it has access to all the skills that we gave it. So if you have any questions about skills or FlowHunt in general, please leave it in the comment section down below. Yes, this is a new user interface which we're going to cover in another video. And thank you for watching. As always, enjoy your day.